In front of me is Oukitel WP36, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service and tap on Google Password Manager. Then you need to select one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your screen lock. Lastly, hit the delete button next to the edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!